What's the matter? What happened? What happened? You don't hit your... What happened, Jamie?
He broke things up, Dad.
He burned the thing up?
Yeah.
He burned your log? Your play log? Somebody burned it?
Please help me.
Please help you?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Fix it.
Fix it? Come on, Bo. You're going to hit somebody in the face. How? I can't fix it. It's been burned. Look. Somebody used it as a firewood, so they needed it to keep warm. They didn't know it was your play toy. What do you want to do about it?
Find another one.
Find another one?
Yeah.
See, that's a positive attitude. Let's find another one. You're going to fall on that and it's going to get you all black.
Huh?
That stuff's charcoal. You touch that, it leaves ash on you. Here, let's go find another one. Let's put this behind us. You want that stick, Bo? Don't poke nobody with it. See, look, Jamie, look. This is what happens when you touch it. See my hand? See the black on my hand? That's from it. You want to look like that? You want to get your clothes all dirty like that?
Yeah.
You want to get your clothes and body all dirty?
My head dirty.
No. See, crazy girl. Come on, let's walk this way. Come on.
Let's go back here.
Do you see any tilapia? I don't see the first one. There's a bass right here. Come look at this bass. Come here. Come here, look at this bass. Put that stick down, Jamie. Put it down.
Whoa.
You're knocking your brother out.
Huh?
Come here, look at this bass.
Whoa.
See it? See it over here? Here, come over here. Come here, Bill. Yeah, see it. Look. See that bass right there? Stay right, stay right there. Look. See that bass right there? See him? See him right there? See that bass?
Right.
See him? You see him, Jamie? Let me have that stick. Don't mess with that stick. Come here, Jamie. See that bass right there? Stand up. Get your foot. No, stand right there. Look. See that bass right there. See him? See him in the water right there? Yeah, you see him?
He's hungry.
He's hungry? Here, I got him. He's on video.
Hello?
See the bass? See him?
Hello?
He could see us. That water's clear enough. He could see us. See him? See him right there? See any other fish? There's some bluegill right there. See a bluegill? Minnows, yeah. The bluegill are trying to get the minnows, and the bass are trying to get the bluegill. Oh, don't hit me in the face. They all eat each other. There's a baby bass right there. See him? There's a baby bass right there. See him swimming. There's shiners in there too. There's small shiners. Bass love the shiners.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. See him swimming, Bo? See him? He's right there in front of us.
Mommy one.
There he is, yeah.
Bye-bye.
See him over there, Bo? You see him? He's gonna come back. There he is. See him?
This is.
See him right there? It's pretty cool.
No?
It's cool. See him? He's looking for lunch.
Huh?
He's looking for lunch. He needs something to eat. Yeah, he wants some of these bluegills. The bluegills are going after the minnows.
What are they?
They're trying to survive. All they do is eat. Yeah, that's fine. No sticks. Here, Bo, let's put that in the water. Come on, let's go this way. Follow me, Jamie. All right. Huh? Where are you going? Come on. Put that down. Come this way. Come on. Just gotta have a big stick at all times. Look at the roots, Bo. Roots. Good job. What is it? What is it? What are you saying, Jamie? Why don't you get out in front of me? Put down the stick. Put down the stick while you're walking. When we go up here, you can pick up a stick. Okay? Go this way. Catch up with Bo. Look at him. Look what he's doing. He's pulling a whole palm frond out. What do you got? What do you have? Look at me. Look at me. What do you have?